Welcome to the Salesforce Chatter for iPad concept demo. I'm going to step you through a few screens. Let's start by launching the application. Here's Chatter for iPad. On the left, I have a list of filters, and on the right, I can see my feed. I'm going to go ahead and rotate the device to show you what it looks like in portrait mode. Notice that in portrait mode, the feed takes up the entire screen, but I can easily pull up the filters by tapping the Chatter button. Let's go back to landscape mode. I'm noticing that David Williams has posted a comment. I don't really know a lot about David, so I'm going to tap on his picture to learn more. This brings up a popover that has additional details about David. I can follow him from here, or I can drill in for more information. Let's go ahead and take a look at his Chatter feed. Here I can see the last few posts that David has placed on Chatter. This popover scrolls so I can easily see more information. It's pretty straightforward to find additional people and groups to follow. Let me go ahead and tap the People and Groups icon. This brings up a list that I can search. I can also drill in for additional information about a person or a group and follow from this popover. Next, I'd like to compose a post, so I'm going to tap the Compose icon. This brings up the keyboard, and I can type my message. Notice that I can also include a hyperlink, a photo from my library, or even specify my location. I'm going to go ahead and share this post. Now I'm noticing that Tim has uploaded a PowerPoint presentation. I'd like to just take a quick peek into the first few slides in this presentation to see if I want to open it. So I'm going to use the spread gesture. Okay, this looks interesting. Next I'm going to tap it to open. This brings up the presentation in full screen mode, and I can swipe through each of the slides. Looks good. Now I'm going to close it. Next, I'm noticing that Kathy has updated the Equinox deal. If I want more information about this deal, I just tap it. This brings up a popover with summary information. I can drill down for additional details. For example, I can view the Chatter feed, view the followers, and look at related information. Next, I'm going to show you a handy little shortcut that allows you to quickly jump to one of the people that you're following. I'm going to go ahead and tap at the bottom of the screen, and this is going to bring up the people index. I'm looking for Whitney. There she is. In the left-hand filter pane, there's a section for favorite people. This allows me to quickly access someone's feed with a single tap. To add someone to favorite people, I just grab their profile photo and drag it onto a square. Now I can view Madison's feed in just one tap. We wanted to be sure that we made this application interactive and engaging. So the next few things I'm going to show you are a little bit fun. Let's go ahead and swipe the Salesforce cloud. And out drops a game. In this game, the user spins the wheel and the system recommends someone for them to follow. Let's try it again. Now we're viewing a quiz. Quizzes are great for getting additional information about your colleagues, and they also encourage people to share information about themselves. In this case, I think Philippe enjoys rock climbing. Yep, looks like I was right. Notice that the system is now asking me what hobbies I enjoy. If I fill in this information, it's going to be used to populate the About Me section of my profile. This will make it easier for people to find me in the future. Let's try swiping the cloud one more time. Great, here's a dashboard. Let's imagine that this dashboard isn't quite what I'm looking for. I'm going to go ahead and press and hold on the dashboard label. This brings up a popover with a menu of options. In this case, I'd like to choose a line graph. Perfect. Thank you for watching the Salesforce Chatter for iPad demo.